Are you looking for a portable TIG machine that offers high-end performance at an affordable price? Well, then you need to go rogue. Stick around and I'll explain what I mean. ESAB, a world leader in innovative welding and cutting solutions, has gone rogue. Meet the ESAB Rogue ET200 IP Pro. The ET200 IP Pro is a powerful inverter-based TIG welder with a 10 to 200 amp output. It weighs in at just over 20 pounds, making it easy to transport to the job site or move around the shop. It can run on 230 volts or 115 volts and has a low amp draw to help prevent tripping breakers. It runs great off generator power, even dirty power, and it's offered at an amazing price that may make you think it's an entry-level machine, but let me tell you, its features are anything but. The Rogue features premium stick welding performance with all electrodes and high-frequency TIG arc starts to promote better quality. What sets the Rogue apart is a pulsed DC TIG output range of 0.2 to 500 hertz. And those working with thin metals and heat-sensitive applications can reduce heat input, narrow the weld bead, and increase travel speed. All functions are easily adjustable on the machine's control panel, and the large digital display makes your settings easy to read, even at a distance. No other machine at this price point comes close to matching Rogue's strength and durability. With a robust and rigid fiberglass molded housing built to IP23S standards, this machine is built to withstand impact after impact in the shop or outdoors in the field, and is backed by ESAB's 3-year warranty. With a host of unconventional features, unprecedented performance, and an all-new industrial design, the ESAB ET200 IP Pro will have you rethinking what you should expect from an entry-level TIG welder. So break away from convention with the rule-defying Rogue. Find out more at www.esab.com/Rogue.